everyone, today I am at Srithana One Condominium. This condominium is located just right on Huay Kaew Road. The location is really great because it's close to all amenities like the Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, Nimman area, and also close to the Old Town and Chiang Mai Hospital. And the units have the size about 52.62 square meter. It's a fully furnished 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, ready to move in. For the living area, it has come with a brown L-shaped sofa that looks really comfy and got the carpet with a coffee table and the television that's hung on the wall. This living area is connected to the cooking area, which I will show you in a minute. And this area has come with one ceiling fan and one air conditioner. Let's go check the bedroom. For the bedroom, it has got this brown sliding door that is contrasted with the white color of the unit. It makes the unit look really nice and modern. And this bedroom is come with this wooden wardrobe with 2 sliding door, and also it's got 1 ceiling fan and 1 air conditioner. And for the bed, the size is about 5 foot. Come with the lamp on the side of the bed, and the painting is make the room look really nice. Let's go check the outer part of the unit. I just try to imagine that if I am the owner of this unit, what I gonna cook. So as you can see, this cooking area is got a built-in kitchenette that has come with all kitchen appliances like the microwave, the refrigerator. It's also got an electric stove that have the hood as well. And for the kitchen top is a black color contrast with the brown color, make the kitchen look really nice. And it has this big window with the blind as well that it will allow the natural light to come in. And for the dining area, this is a round table, it's a clear glass, and it's come with the 4 seats, which is really comfortable and nice. And for the bedroom, it's got a sliding door as well. And the side of the bedroom is quite spacious. It's come with this wooden wardrobe that's similar to the other bedroom. And for the wall, it has got this glass window on this side with the curtain as well, where it will allow the light to go through to the small bedroom. And for the bed, it's about 5 foot, come with ceiling fan and also 1 air conditioner. And it's got this dressing table here that has big glass window to allow the natural light and the air as well. And for the curtain, it's really thick curtain that will block out all the sun and the lights if you are not a morning person. And for the bathroom, it's Jack and Jill door. It's got this sliding door as well. And the bathroom is really spacious, come with a really nice sink, the toilet, and it has got this shower curtain to separate from wet and dry. And it has got the hand shower and the rain shower as well. Look really nice. And for this corner, you can add the washing machine here, or maybe just put another cabinet to keep all the stuff that you need. So, what do you think about this unit? Comment below. This unit, as I mentioned earlier, is about 52.62 square meter. It's a fully furnished and ready to move in. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Location is very great. You don't need a car at all. So for more information, please call me at the number below or just comment. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. I will see you next time. Bye!